Okay, so when we have this equation 3x plus 7 equals 15, we think to ourselves what it says 3 times some number plus 7 equals 15. So the last thing I do in this equation sort of is I add 7 to it. So the first thing I got to do is I got to take away 7. The inverse operation of addition is subtraction. So subtract 7 from both sides. And then we're left with 3x equals 15 minus 7 is 8, right? What then happens? Well, this says 3 times some number equals 8. Well, think, okay, so I've got to divide. Why? Because divide is opposite or the inverse operation of multiplication. So I divide both sides by 3, and I get x equals 8 over 3. Now what we got to do is we got to check that. Well, how do we check that? Well, we check that by plugging it back into the original equation. So here's my check. And it's 3x plus 7 equals 15. 3 times 8 over 3, 3 plus 7 equals 15. That is 24 over 3 plus 7 equals 15. That is 8 plus 7 equals 15. That is 15 equals 15. It checks. Now some of you might have said, well, wait a minute. 3x plus 7 equals 15. Just another way, 3 times 8 over 3 plus 7 equals 15. Many of you might say, well, I can cross out these 3. I get my 8 plus 7 equals 15. 15 equals 15. It checks. So whichever way you do it, or wherever you're comfortable, you've got it down, check. So now you know what the answer is. X equals 8/3.